Assalamu alaikum dear kids, welcome to all. Inshallah, all are very fine. I am your English grammar teacher. In English grammar, today we are going to learn about lesson noun, singular and plural. What is the name of the lesson? Noun, singular and plural. This is the last part of this lesson. Let us learn about it. Choose the correct noun from bracket to complete each sentence. Choose the correct noun from bracket to complete each sentence. Number 1. We bought fresh and tasty blank from Kashmir. We bought fresh and tasty blank from Kashmir. Cherry or cherries. Singular and plural noun are given here. We will choose one which is suitable for it. Which noun we will choose here? Cherry or cherries? Yes, cherries. So we put the cherries from here and fill in the blank. CHERRIES, cherries. Why we use here cherries? Because we are talking about two things about cherry, fresh and tasty. So we write here cherries. We bought fresh and tasty cherries from Kashmir. Next, number 2, the priest asked all the blank to stand up. The priest asked all the blank to stand up. Child, children. Child is a singular noun and children is a plural noun. Which noun we will choose here? Yes, children. Why we use children here? Because all word is given here and all used with plural. So we write here children. CHILDREN, children. The priest asked all the children to stand up. Next, number 3. The box of apples was kept on blank. The box of apples was kept on a blank. Shelf and shelves, singular and plural noun is given here. Shelf is a singular noun and shelf is a plural noun. Which noun we use? Yes, singular, shelf. Why we use shelf? Because we use singular noun with was. Always we use the singular noun with was and also given here a. I is used for singular. So we write here shelf, SHELF, shelf. The box of apples was kept on a shelf. Next, number 4. The blank at the farm were dancing in the rain. The blank at the farm were dancing in the rain. Nouns are given here goose and geese. Goose is a singular noun and geese is a plural noun. Which noun we choose from here? Yes, goose. Why we use goose here? Because where is given here and we use where with the plural nouns. So we write here geese. The geese at the farm were dancing in the rain. Next, many beautiful blank were saving on their stalks. Many beautiful blank were saving on their stalks. Noun are given here pansy or pansies. Pansy is a singular noun, pansies is a plural noun. Which noun we choose from here? Pansy or pansies? Yes, pansies. Why we use pansies? Because we use where with the plural nouns. So we write here pansies. Pansies, pansies. Many beautiful pansies were saving on their stalks. Next, number 6. There is a big blank in the music room. There is a big blank in the music room. Piano or pianos. Piano is a singular noun or pianos is a plural noun. Which noun we use here? Yes, piano. Why we use piano here? Because we use singular noun with is. So we write here piano. There is a big piano in the music room. Let us see the next exercise. Draw circles around the correctly spelled rulers. Use different crayons. Draw circles around the correctly spelled rulers. Use different crayons. All nouns are plurals given here, but we circle which is correct spelled. First noun is given here children. Children is a plural noun, children, children. It's a correct spelling of children. Yes, so we circle it. Next, buffaloes. Buffaloes, buffaloes. It's a correct spelling of buffaloes. Yes, so we circle it. Next, knives, knives, knives. It's a correct spelling of knives. Yes, so we circle it. Next is a mice. Mice is a correct spelling of mouse. Plural of mouse. Yes, so we circle it. Next is firemen's. 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 It's a correct plural spellings of fireman. No, it's not correct. Next, crosses. CROSSES, crosses. It's a correct spelling of crosses. Yes, so we circle it. Next, quizzes. It's a correct spelling of quizzes. QUIZZES, quizzes. Yes, so we circle it. Next is chefs. SHIEFS, chefs. It's a correct spelling of chefs. Yes, so we circle it. Next is stories. STORIES, stories. It's a correct spelling of stories. Yes, so we circle it. Next, lives. LIFES, lives. It's a correct spelling of lives. No, it's not correct. Next, scratches. Crutches, scratches. It's a correct spelling of scratches? Yes. So we circle it. Next, use. It's a correct spelling of use. HOOVES, use. Yes, it's correct. So we circle it. Next, guestes. It's a correct spelling of guestes. No, GUESTS, guestes. Yes, it's correct. So we circle it. Next, families. FAMILYS, families. It's the correct spelling of families. No, it's not correct. Next, geezes. It's correct spelling. GEESES, geezes. It's the correct spelling of geezes. No, it's not correct. Next, boxes. BOXES, boxes. It's the correct spelling of boxes. Yes. So we circle it. Next, wishes. It's a correct spelling of wishes. WISHS. No, it's not correct. Next, foxen. FOXEN, foxen. Is the correct spelling of foxen? No, it's not correct. Next, GOATES, goatest. It's a correct spelling? No, it's not correct. I think each and everyone have understood about this lesson exercise. Now it's homework time. Fill in the blanks with the singular plural form of the underlined nouns. Write it 3 times. I will ask about this homework in the next video. Allah Hafiz.